This double decrease reduces the number of stitches by 2. It's known as SK2P, which stands for slip 1, knit 2 together and pass the slipped stitch over. It creates a left-leaning slant like this. You might be asked to do this at any point across the row. I've put it at the edge just to emphasize the fact that it leans to the left. So I'm going to knit my first 2 edge stitches. And now I'm going to decrease by 2. Start by slipping the first stitch knitwise, then knit the next 2 stitches together, and then pass the slipped stitch over that top stitch. And there we are, we've decreased by 2.